Actually, I mean, we have got a lot of beneficial towards that one. We are getting a lot of contacts, a lot of leads, which we are going to get from this kind of event. And I hope that we are going for a very good business in the future. Yeah, it was amazing. I mean, we have a very good customers and a very good clients, which they are offering a lot of or demanding for a lot of solutions. And hopefully we will be able to fulfill this demand. I believe, yeah, we are going to do more and more through these kind of events because we are ready to engage with the market here in Saudi Arabia, and we are happy to be part of from this kind of event. Amazing.